Mastering English. The phrase, wear a mask, explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that has become incredibly common in our daily lives. Wear a mask. We'll explore what it means, how to use it correctly, and some examples to help you understand this phrase thoroughly. So, if you're ready to master another piece of the English language, let's get started. The phrase, wear a mask, is made up of two parts: the verb, wear, and the noun, mask. To wear generally means to carry or have on the body as a form of clothing, protection, or for a special activity. A mask is a covering for all or part of the face, designed to protect, disguise, or entertain. When combined, the phrase, wear a mask, usually refers to the act of putting on a mask to cover your nose and mouth, which can serve to protect you or others from airborne particles, diseases, or to keep one's identity hidden. In recent times, the phrase has been widely used in the context of health and safety. Due to global health concerns, people are often advised to wear a mask to prevent the spread of illnesses. But masks are not new to human society. They have been used for centuries in cultural festivals, theater, and other social rituals. Examples in sentences. During the dust storm, it's important to wear a mask to avoid inhaling the dust. The doctor recommended that all patients should wear a mask when they visit the clinic. Beyond its literal meaning, wear a mask can also have a metaphorical or idiomatic sense. It can imply hiding one's true feelings or pretending to be something you are not. For example, sometimes people wear a mask to hide their sadness. Understanding the context in which the phrase is used is key to grasping its true meaning. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, wear a mask, and its various uses in the English language. Whether you're using it in a literal or a figurative sense, it's a phrase that's incredibly relevant in today's world. Thank you for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. Keep learning, and you'll be a master of English in no time.